Hello. Today I'm starting a new restoration. The compact piano accordion is stalled at the moment because I need to wait for the weather to clear up so I can go outside to use the contact cement to put valves on. And it doesn't really need any other work besides putting new shoulder straps on. So, I'm going to be starting on this. Now what this is an old Hohner, probably about 100 years old. And it's a Frankenstein job, I think, anyway. As you can see, the base end is red, but the top is classic matte black. So the main problems with this thing is it's not sealing really well currently. I fixed one thing, which I'll show pictures of, which is that this latch was bent, so that it wasn't working as well. And also, I need to fix that this latch doesn't have a screw to latch onto. It came with a bag of spare parts. Another main problem with it is that the base section is completely wrong in how it's arranged. This used to be somebody else's project that they were trying to finish, and they just never got around to it. So I'm gonna try to finish it. So I'll give you a little sound demonstration of it currently. But yeah, it needs some reed work, and also it needs new valves. Those reeds are in the bag of spare parts. So what the thing is there is that the reeds need to be profiled again, but somebody bent the reeds the wrong way. And that's just wrong. Wrong again. That one sounds like almost correct. But what doesn't make sense is how it's playing the same note on the in and out. I can't find a layout that was anything similar to this. Right. There's a nice low A in there. So, that doesn't make much sense. So, start another video when I start making repairs.